Are you looking for quick and easy Christmas ideas to use up some curtain rings? I've got 5 ideas and I am very pleased with how they came out, and the one of them looks so high end, as long as you remember not to make the mistake I made, and I'll show you what that mistake was. Right, no time to chat, let's get crafting. For this quick and easy craft, I'm going to use a jar, a wood round, some twine, some curtain hooks and a bead. Wrap your jar with some twine. First of all, do a crisscross section to divide your jar into quarters. Then put some twine around the bottom to hide the ends and put some twine around the middle. Then you get out with your curtain rings, put a bigger curtain ring, then a smaller curtain ring, and then an even smaller curtain ring. Cut yourself a piece of nautical rope 20 to 25 centimetres long. It hasn't got to be accurate. And then pop each end into the bead with a bit of hot glue. And now you want to glue the bead to the top curtain ring. Because I love using my gingham ribbon for Christmas, I'm going to add some along the bottom to hide the edge of the jar. And I can't resist, I'm going to put a little bow on the bottom too. Depending on how quick and easy you want to make this craft, you can fill this little hole in with some sparkle, you can put some paper over the top of this, you can paint it if you want to. I'm leaving it as it is because this makes it so quick and easy for such an impressive looking Christmas decoration. I'm just going to leave the hole facing the back. I think I'll turn it over because it's a bit grubby on that side. And then you just turn your little candle on, pop it on your base, pop your lantern over your little candle. So look at that for a quick and easy craft. It looks like you took hours and hours making this, and you didn't. If I did this again, I'd make sure I put these holes on the right side of the lamp. I put them towards the front. I don't know what I was thinking of. If you're doing it, make sure you put these towards the back. But I love that. A quick and easy way to use your curtain rings, and it really does look high end. As long as you turn those towards the back. Right, let's see what this looks like up on my display. This quick and easy Christmas decoration craft using curtain rings, I'm going to use 3 larger curtain rings, 2 smaller curtain rings in different colours, 1 battery operated candle, some bits and pieces of Christmas decoration, I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet, and some lovely gingham ribbon that just is so Christmassy. The first thing is to remove all these from the curtain rings. Put down your first curtain ring. On your smaller ring, add a little bit of wood glue and some hot glue. And pop it centrally onto one of your bigger rings, and you've got this. Clean off any wood glue that's showing. On that smaller ring again, a little bit of wood glue, some hot glue, and pop on a bigger ring. and clean off any bits that you can see. You all know me, I'm a very messy gluer. Onto the small curtain ring again. Glue that in place. And finally a little bit of wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. You don't need to use the wood glue if you don't want to. It's just it will hold this together longer because hot glue does tend to come apart sometimes. And also you can just use wood glue if you don't want to use hot glue, but you will have to wait for the glue to set. Pop that on there. And then clean off all the excess, of which I have a lot. If you want to, you can use painted curtain rings or you can paint your own. But as I always say, if you paint something, it slows you down. So if you want quick and easy, the best way is not to paint things. If you need to trim some holly leaves down, just shorten them a little bit by imitating the shape on the leaf, but further up. Now I'm going to add this little tulip bow at a jaunty angle. There. I do love a jaunty angle. Take your little candle, turn it on, pop it in the top. And how easy was that, and how gorgeous does that look? And so quick and easy too. Right, let's see what this looks like up on my display. If you found this video helpful or you've learned anything from it, then please consider giving me a thumbs up, and it would be great if you could subscribe too. Right, back to crafting. For this quick and easy Christmas craft made from curtain rings, I'm going to use this absolutely gorgeous little pair of angel wings, and I just want to slow down the video a second to read you the little note. I got this from a viewer, and this is a very special item. I made angel wings for my family the first year after my mother's death. She made it through Christmas the year before, and that was the last time we saw her before she died. She died a few days after. She might dance in heaven knowing her stuff is being used. So I hope heaven's got a dancer, because I'm about to use these wings on a quick and easy Christmas decoration from a curtain ring that is going to look superb. I'm going to use a curtain ring, various ribbons and laces, and 2 of these little picks, mini picks. I think they're actually for cake making, but I think they're perfect for this sort of delicate special item. I'm going to put the hanger on this Christmas decoration now before I put the delicate wings on, because I don't want to damage them in any way. You may have some wings that you can use, or you may have some pieces of lace that you can cut into this sort of shape. You could even cut yourself out a set of wings from some cardboard or part of a doily. This is going to be a figurative angel, so this I am treating as the angel's halo. Now I want a bit of a dress, so I'm going to cut some pieces of ribbon and lace about the same length, so I like that length. Now I'm going to fold these in half, poke the loop through the ring towards the back, bring the loose ends through the loop, and tighten it off. And now I'm going to put the little join underneath the ribbon. I think that'll look much neater. And then trim the ends. A bit like cutting your fringe. Now glue the hanging hook to the top, making sure it's in the right place. Trim the ends on these. And I'm going to glue them facing downwards. One there, one there. And press them into place, making sure the angle is the same on both of them. And try not to glue yourself to your ribbon. I'm going to make a little 2-loop bow. Now I'm going to glue the wings over the join. And then glue the little bow into place. And that is a very quick and easy curtain ring Christmas decoration that is really special, and I am so honoured to be using this little piece of angel wings that was sent to me by a viewer. So thank you ever so much for sending it, and I hope you all like this because it is a very special Christmas decoration. Right, let's see what this looks like up on my display. For this quick and easy curtain ring craft, I'm going to use a curtain ring, a little tiny crocheted motif that you can pick these up very often in thrift stores or charity shops, and sometimes they're actually in a larger item, and you can, as you can see here, snip the ends and use them for a smaller project. A little selection of berries and leaves, I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use yet, and some twine. The first job is to cover this curtain ring with twine. The thicker the twine you use, the faster this job goes. I know not everybody likes this. This is something I thoroughly enjoy doing. Put some hot glue on the curtain ring and then pop it onto your little motif or medallion or whatever it is you're using. Try to get it as central as possible. And now we need a hanger. And finally add a little bit of decor on the top. Whatever you fancy doing. I'm putting some eucalyptus leaves. This little piece actually came off one of the eucalyptus picks. And then finishing off with some berries. And look at that for a very quick and easy Christmas decoration from a curtain ring. That was so easy and that was so much fun to make, and I just love it. That just screams out country Christmas. Let's have a look what this looks like up on my display. For this quick and easy curtain ring craft, I'm going to use a curtain ring, a penguin, some fibre fill, and some blue, like a lacy ribbon. You can use anything, the colour that suits your decor. I've gone for the blue because I want it to look quite icy, but you may decide you want warmer colours. I think icy colours or white will be best for this project. The first thing to do is to cover completely the curtain ring with this. And you can do this on any colour curtain ring, but if it's a dark colour, you may decide that you want to paint it white first. Or pale blue. And then just keep wrapping round and round. Now my lace, you can see, is quite a transparency type lacy ribbon. So I'm going to put it closer together, bunch it up a little bit so that it looks more solid. And just go right the way around the ring. So there we have one ring covered in blue lace, ribbon, whatever it is you're going to use. Now we're going to take some fibre fill. If you want to find a budget way of getting this fibre fill, go to your charity shops or thrift stores and see if they have any cushions. At the shop that I go to, they sell their cushions for 49p each. So as long as you give it a good sniff to make sure that it doesn't smell a bit awful, bring it home. Take all the insides out and you've got yourself a load of fibre fill for 49p. And I'm just going to put a little bit of a snow effect onto the front. So a little bit of glue and on with the fibre fill. And if like me you've got rather a lot and it looks more like Santa's beard, just pull some bits off. Like that. Nice and fast. Now I'm going to get this ever so cute penguin. Look at his little face, isn't he cute? Oh look, I got fibre fill on my glue gun as well. I've got bits of tree, bits of plastic. A little bit of hot glue. And pop him firmly on top of the fibre fill. And you should have enough glue ideally to go right through the fibre fill and onto the ring itself too. Now I just need to make a hanger. Fold a piece of your ribbon or lace, whatever you're using, in half and then poke the loop from front to back. Open up the loop, pop the two ends through and pull. And it virtually disappears. Make sure it's at the top. Pull it tight. And then you can just tie a knot then at the length you want the hanger to be. Snip the ends. And you do have the option at this point to put a little bow on. You know me, any excuse for a bow. A little dab of hot glue. Pop it on the top and then you can decide how long you want these tails to be. I think about there. Now how about that for a quick and easy Christmas decoration from a curtain ring? I think it looks really cute. Let's see what this looks like up on my display. If you look up there, I'll put a playlist to other Christmas crafts that I've made and you can check those out too. I'm so pleased with these crafts, especially the lantern, but just make sure you know where you're putting those holes before you stick them on. I'll see you all next time, but until then, don't forget, have fun. Bye!